What if you could start making $100 every single day, starting from absolutely nothing? For most people, even $100 a day can completely change their financial situation. But the real problem is, most people have no idea where to actually start or what really works. So instead of guessing, you need a simple method that you can actually follow step by step. The first step is to find something simple that people already need every single day. This could be something like food delivery, in small services, or anything people are already paying for every day. The key is not to pick everything, but to focus on one thing that people need again and again. Once you choose one thing, and the next step is to find a simple way to offer it to people around you. You do not need a big setup. You just need a simple way to connect your service with real people. This is how simple services turn into daily income by connecting real people with something they already need. When you repeat this simple process every day, those small payments slowly turn into consistent income. Once you understand this process, you can start doing it consistently and build something that grows over time. Start with one simple option and test it quickly and focus only on what actually works in real life.
Once you start offering it to real people, you begin to see how simple it is to turn effort into money. At first, the results may be small, but this is where everything starts to change.
As you repeat this process every day, those small results start adding up faster than you expect.
And once you understand the system, you can start creating multiple small income streams at the same time.
This is where you realize it is not about working harder. It is about building something that works for you. And slowly, your life starts to feel more stable, less stressful, and more in control than before.
And once you build something like this, even a small daily income can completely change your future over time.
If this made sense to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which idea you would try first.